Hi, this is Haileigh over here at Awesome Ford. I'm going to show you the new 2025 Ford Explorer. This one's a Platinum model, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, Ford has a brand new screen setup, as you can see. It's a lot different. We're side by side and not going straight up and down. So with this screen setup, we actually have the ability to look at, this is our home screen. Right here, we can kind of pick the different vehicle options. And right here, we have kind of like a Google setup. And what's really neat is Ford powered with Google to get this setup that we have right here. You can still use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but it's really neat that we can go ahead and access everything that we need right here rather than going on our phones and distracting ourselves. What's super neat, this Platinum has the massage chairs. So it's really, really neat. I really like it. You can also adjust it and do a full back massage. Especially if you're doing the long road trips, it comes in handy. What's really neat right here, we have all our climate controls right here. We can go ahead and extend it up if we wanted to take a look at what we have. We bring it down, we can control the rear climate as well. But we can also, what's really neat, what they implemented into these newer 2025 vehicles is we actually have auto seat ventilation. So if it's cold, if it's hot, if you have this temperature set to whatever, it's going to automatically blow that temperature in through your seats. Same like with your climate controls, you put it on auto, it's going to automatically fix the temperature in your vehicle. Same with your seats. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like. If you have any questions, leave us a comment in the comment section. And if you want to see more, go ahead and give us a follow. Hope you have a wonderful day. Again, this is Haileigh at Awesome Ford, and I'll talk to you soon.